I'm finally starting my sourdough journey and I'm super excited about it. It's so intimidating that I feel like I've been pushing it off for so long. I've watched videos, I've read, I'm ready. It doesn't seem that hard. It just seems hard when you read about it. So there are a ton of people who tell you to measure it, you know, do your grams and have your scale and everything like that. But I think that just makes it more complicated, and that's what made me scared to do it. And I have a 1-year-old. I don't have time to be doing all of that. So I watched this gal on YouTube and she made it super simple, and I'm excited to do it the way she does it because it's less maintenance. You just go with your heart and you just do it. So let's get started. So I'm just gonna start off by adding a 1/4 cup of flour and then a 1/4 cup of water as well. So then we're gonna go ahead and get that mixed up real good, making sure to get a ton of air in our mixture. They say we want it to kind of look like pancake batter, but not too thick and also not too runny. Okay, so we got it started. The lid's barely on. Our house is kind of cold, so I'm probably gonna wrap a towel around it and then just kind of store it in a dark corner, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. Okay, so day 2 of sourdough. Let's unwrap her and see how she's doing. Okay, so this liquid is called hooch, and basically it's when your sourdough starter is hungry and it has used up all the food. And so there's the liquid on top, and that's what we have to feed. So before we start feeding, I'm just gonna stir this all together and mix the hooch back into the mixture. Okay, so adding a 1/4 cup of flour again, and then another 1/4 cup of filtered water. Okay, so now I'm gonna wrap her back up in the towel, the spot she was yesterday, and then wait another 24 hours. Good morning. We are on day 3 of the sourdough. So I'm really curious to see how all of this ends up working out. It's starting to get little bubbles on top. I'll show you here in just a second. I still am just not sure if I throw some away or not. I'm gonna take another look at it in just a second and then see what my gut tells me to do. Probably throw some of it out. This is so hard. I've Googled and researched, watched videos, and nothing talks about this. So we're just learning as we go. Let's see what we got going on. Right, so here we go. This is what it looks like. You can see the little bubbles, let's see, right here. So that's a good thing. All right, so let's stir it up. Oh man. I think this is working. I wanted to hear it crackle, but I think me stirring it ruined that. So another thing that I didn't think of was how small this little hole is. So how am I supposed to put my hand in there to grab a 1/4 cup? I don't know. So I think I do have enough to do to discard it today. So I'm gonna grab my 1/4 cup and take some out. Oh shoot. I'm gonna throw this away. So now that that's gone, here it is. And then we're gonna feed it flour and then do a 1/4 cup of water and then put it back up in the towel and then see it tomorrow. Alright, so here we go. And then just gonna put this lid right back on. Put it back in that towel to keep it nice and warm because it's pretty cold out. And then we will see you tomorrow. So today is day 4 for sourdough, and I currently haven't even looked at my sourdough. It's been a day. Riggs is not really taking a nap, and he's being a 1-year-old, pulling everything out, playing with things he shouldn't be playing with, being a typical 1-year-old, which is absolutely fine. But this is where it becomes hard to have a schedule with your sourdough, because you can't just always be there when you need to be there. But the lady that I was following and watching, this is why I am sticking with her plan, because things happen, things pop up, and it's okay. You don't need a schedule, and everyone's schedule is not going to fit your schedule. So you do what you can when you can. When he goes down for a nap, we'll get started on that sourdough. So Riggs just went down for his nap, and it's been a morning. So let's see, day 4. Today we are going to discard. We're gonna discard. Sounds like I'm saying discard. Discard. Throw it away. Throw it in the trash. How big? Get on my bubble. This hard work is paying off. It is like this big. I'm gonna have to watch a video again to see what I do after this, because I'm not sure what to do after. Actually, I don't even know what I'm supposed to do today. I think I'm supposed to just take it out, throw it away, put some more in, mix it up, because it's definitely not ready for anything yet. So let's do that and take it step by step. So I already have my water, I got my chapstick, and then I gotta get my flour, which is right next to me. Love that beep. Try and listen to the crack. The coffee pot's so loud I can't even hear. As exciting as this is, what if this is just the easy part? Maybe getting it started is easy, and then the bread is what's going to be hard. We don't know. We don't know because we've never done it. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. So let's take some out. So we're gonna throw that away, a 1/4 cup. We're gonna throw a 1/4 cup away. And then we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of flour, add a 1/4 cup of water, mix it together, put it away, and then do it again tomorrow, or hopefully day 5 will be better than day 4. So I definitely forgot to record me adding the flour and filtered water. All I can say, rookie mistake. Put the lid back on, wrap it in its towel, and then we'll see on day 5.